Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some special treats for you. Your word of the day is to open up to the universe. It's time to develop your prayer life, your meditation life, going on to the elements and just listening, asking for the knowledge and wisdom and understanding that is needed to take you to the next level. And then after that, you listen. Do not flood the airways with what your wants and needs. No, ask for the wisdom. Therefore, you can exercise and compound that wisdom and take your life to the next level. I'm discovering my worth in the universe and with my abilities and also gifts. I have the confidence in my value and my gifts, and I reclaim my inner power. I accept and love myself completely. Thus, I am open to the divine light of the universe. It's a special tactic, and it's very great to be able to tap in and to listen, getting in a meditative state to be able to receive and decipher the downloads that are coming your way. Open up. There's a message waiting for you, for your greater good. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.